Hi everyone. So this is Madhuri, and today I'm going to take you through the Carignano Nature Park, which is around 14 kilometers away from the main city. It is one of the best and most beautiful places to visit. The ticket cost is rupees 50 per adult, and if you are in Shimla and just wanted to take a breathe away from the crowd with the charming view, you can visit the nature park. So this place has a small tree house, children park, washrooms, a lot of greenery with the seasonal flowers. There is also a small pond inside the park which has a lot of colorful fishes. So all in all, it is a must visit from my side. Thank you so much.